Hi everybody, this is Kathy from katzelcreate and welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with a collaboration, and this one is for World Card Making Day. So October, or the first Saturday of the month, is usually World Card Making Day. So what? Yeah, I didn't know about that either until somebody mentioned it to me. Hi, Tree. So we went ahead and collaborated with Maka'z Home. She makes wonderful, beautiful cards. Marion's Crafty Corner. Ooh, she makes beautiful creations, so I'm sure her cards are going to turn out wonderful. And Tree from Craft On. So anyways, let me go ahead and show you what I ended up creating. I am not a very good card maker, so you guys will see some I might have to probably add a little stuff in it here and there, but usually this is my creations are not too good. So let me go ahead and show you. This is my first one. You guys see? There you go. So this one's cute in my standards. Then I made this one, and then this one actually stands up. I don't know if you guys could see that. And this was inspired by Donna Dreams ×3. She sent me a card on my first giveaway and I loved it, and I've had it here for inspiration, and yeah, now I can't find it. Go figure, huh? Then I made this one, which I feel needs something else, but like I said, I will probably add additional stuff to them. Then I made this one. Isn't this one so cute, you guys? Oh, there you go. It stands up. And I will try to make sure I take a picture of the ones that stand up so you guys could see a perfect view of it. And then I went ahead and used this one. I did use a paper collection on that one. Let me see if I could find it. Sorry, you guys, I was not prepared. So I did use, for this one, I used this paper pad right here. So I've had it for a while. It's been in my stash, so it's time to start using it. So a lot of you guys, if you guys have not used your mini 6x6 paper pads, start using them. Yes. So this is all part of that paper collection, and all these other ones are just a variation of different cardstock or paper collections that I just have roaming around that have no home. So this one, there you go. This one was actually just sent to me by a Tree, and I went ahead and added it on here. There you go. And then I also made this one, and this one stands up as well. And for the stand up, it's so easy. I mean, I don't know why I'm procrastinating looking at Donna's card. They're so easy to make, and I will have a tutorial. I'm pretty sure there's other tutorials on how to make this, but I will have a tutorial for you guys later on this week. So, and then these are stickers that Ebony from Sharing More sent me, so I went ahead and put those on there. And this one's part of a Stamp of Life. Some of you guys already seen it, so isn't that cute? Anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch. Oh, and we will have a giveaway. I will be giving 4 of these cards away. It's going to be random cards. It's not going to be a set, or like it's not going to be, it's going to be random. Anyways, for this giveaway, just make sure you are 18 years or older. You are US resident, because international right now, I'm so sorry. Cost is becoming high on a lot of stuff right now, so sorry. And 18 years of older in US, be a subscriber of mine, must be a visible subscriber, and hit comment, enter me, and then I will have a drawing on Friday. So thank you everybody for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.